Okay, continuing my videos on the Thursday class from the 23rd of September. I want to find the range of values of x for which the absolute value of 2x plus 5 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0, so not positive. Well, the first thing I'm going to do with that is just rearrange it slightly. I'm going to add 1 on both sides to get less than or equal to 1. So we're saying the thing inside the absolute value brackets has to be less than or equal to 1. Now remember, absolute value means the distance from the origin, the distance from 0 on a number line. So let's just look at the numbers that are exactly 1 unit from 0, and there's two of them. One of them is -1, the other is 1. Where will we find the numbers that have an absolute value less than or equal to 1? Well, any number that has an absolute value less than or equal to 1 is in between these two, because that means it's less than 1 unit from the origin. Also, it could be equal to, so both of these two things will be included. And now I'm going to just look at this inequality here. I can write that as 2x. Remember, we're talking about 2x plus 5 as being the thing inside the bracket there. So there's two conditions it has to satisfy. It would have to be bigger than or equal to -1, and it would have to be less than or equal to +1. So to finish solving this inequality, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, -6, then divide by 2. X is bigger than or equal to -3. And the same process over here. Subtract 5 from both sides, get -4, dividing by 2, getting -2. So x is bigger than or equal to -3, and x is less than or equal to -2. So it has to satisfy both of those conditions. You will often see that written down as -3 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to -2. Solving absolute value inequalities, have to be able to process that. Always think visually.